right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video I'm going to produce for you. I did, in fact, get a chance. I'm going to show you the 24 Corvette in this video. And I actually recorded the new interior, the new dash, the new infotainment center for the 24 because it is actually different than the 23. And somehow I deleted it. Now, I actually was recording with my DJI Action 3 for this video. But then when I asked the guy to go back in and start the car up, I recorded it on my phone, and then when I was going through my phone deleting old footage, somehow that one got deleted. So I can't actually show it to you, but I will tell you that the 24 models now have a new animated screen throughout the infotainment center is different. It's also now integrated with Google Maps. However, the new drive mode selectors and everything, it is all animated and it is all different controls. So maybe I'll be able to head back out to that dealer and, show you, get a shot for you. Hopefully I'll do it in another video, but as of now, I don't have that footage anymore, but I can show you the car, the new carbon flash, the black. It's like a metallic. It's so beautiful, man. It has sparkles and everything, just like my car. Yeah, this is a pretty good video. Lots of Corvettes out there, other cars, but I hope you enjoy this real quick video. But I wanted to tell you the 24s do have a new infotainment center, and if I can, I'll shoot back out to another dealer because not very many dealers have 24s actually sitting on the lot, but they did, and I showed them in this video. So it was the orange one, the black one, and the white one sitting next to it. Those were all the 3 24s that they had. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and let's kick this thing off. All right, guys, so it's very windy out, and there was a lot of music playing. So I'm going to get right to it. This is actually a 23 Z06 right here, same color as mine. Pretty nice, way overpriced though, and it's got 4,000 miles on it. It's it's a pre-owned one, but they are selling all the cars that are actually here. Some of these cars were at this dealer were on show for sale, and this is one of them. And all those 24s that I'm getting ready to show right there are for sale as well. But a lot of people entered a car show because this was a car show. So this on the end right here, this is the new carbon flash color, and I got to tell you, video just doesn't do it any justice. That Corvette right there, that black one, is the new color. This is also a 24, but I want to swing back around here. This 24 right here in carbon flash is absolutely beautiful, folks. In person, you would not believe how beautiful this car is. It's got metallic flakes all through it. It's not a basic black, and it is for sale. Now these 24s that they have, a lot of them, I don't know if they're marked up or not, but they are stock pretty much. That black one has no options, and it's $70,000. This is what I was talking about for the 24s. Now that black one also, with it being a 1LT, it now has the rear view mirror, standard, a lot of standard features. But I hate that I deleted all the footage that I recorded of that particular car, up close and personal with the color, everything. But the amplified orange in person is a color that I do not like it, man. It's just plain and boring. But wanted to show you those Corvettes and speak on it real quick, and now we're going to get to some more of the show. All right, guys, wanted to close out with some old schools. There were a lot of cars here, a lot of friendly owners, really nice. But I just wanted to showcase a few of the cars here, mainly a lot of the Corvettes and the Chevy products. But some of these cars are just on point, man. They were really good. So just wanted to close out with these classics. And I had a good time, man. It was a 4-hour show, but I had previous engagements, so I had to leave. But I stayed there for about an hour and a half, and I only filmed for maybe 30 minutes or so. Not even that long, maybe 25 minutes, but I just cut it down and compressed it because I was really wanting to enjoy myself. I didn't want to walk around and just film everything. But I had some of these cars were worthy of showing, and you know, I felt like why not? It's a car show. There was some pretty nice cars there, man, and I mean very nice. But hope you enjoyed the footage. And I'll try to definitely get back over and grab some of the footage of the new 24 infotainment center on the Corvette. It is absolutely light years better. It looks better. It's just animated, and it's just a different infotainment center, and I really like it. So I asked the guy about my E-Ray order, and I said, "Will my E-Ray have this dash like the 24s?" And he said, "Well, it's probably gonna have a little bit more enhanced version of this because it'll be an E-Ray." But yeah, pretty nice, man. This truck is sick right here too. There were a lot of cars out there that I didn't show, but I didn't want to make this video too long. So hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more coverage. I got some new screen protectors and stuff coming in for my Corvette. So and I'll also give you an update on my E-Ray. So since I just mentioned it, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.